Alright, so this is my 2016 Dodge Ram Bighorn Hemi. I see a lot of people using the Y-pipe muffler deletes. This is the main reason I'm making this video. A lot of people like the way it sounds with the muffler delete. A lot of people are paying in excess of $250 to $300+ for this Y-pipe. I'm making this video to let you guys know that I can make these pipes for you guys for a fraction of the cost at little to nothing for shipping. Have it sent to you. So I'm going to show you my pipe that I made, and I'm going to also do a flyby of what it sounds like, do a startup of it, you know, the drone inside, the way I made this pipe. It's phenomenal, especially when it goes into eco mode. It's very good. So we're going to do that, but first let me get to this, and let me show you guys mine. If you guys are interested, I'm going to do it two ways. Offer it to you guys two ways. Mine's welded. We can also go clamp too. So without hindering any of your stock exhaust hinges or anything, this is mine right here. So it's not hurting anything. Even with a lease, I can take this and perfectly put my stock exhaust on without any of my hangers. And as you see, it goes right out. It sounds very good. I get a lot of compliments on it. So, like I said, it'll come to you already prefabbed. So it's going to be a plug and play exhaust for you. So if you could like, subscribe, talk shit if you want, I don't care, but I'm just trying to help some people out, you know. You get on Amazon and they're still $230+. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start it up, let you guys hear it. There's a lot of videos out there, but people are also spending a lot of money to do this and or have it done, versus I will send the pipe to you and you can do it yourself via, if you want the clamp one, simply taking the muffler off, and you will have it on, you know, in about half hour, 45 minutes. So let's go from there. So like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. They're all clean welds too, so say if you were to want one, you know, from me, and you know something happened during the shipping, I'll take full responsibility. I'll send you a new one. Just send me the old one back. Stock tips. Like I said, I get a lot of compliments, and that's just a muffler delete. I noticed a lot of people, they're getting that, what I call the horse sneeze, which is, I hate that noise. And it's not loud enough to where the cops are gonna mess with you. You know, you're not messing with any cats, any O2 sensors, so it's gonna pass emissions all day long. So like I said, I love it. Some people don't. Some people are gonna say some shit on this. Some people are not gonna like this video. I'm just trying to say, if you want your Y-pipe delete, which is a lot of people want done, especially because those tips that come out of the back, I think they look phenomenal. They look really good. And I mean, I can get you stainless steel piping you want, you know, just let me know what you want. Take care of it. Basically just subscribe. I mean, it's not the truck's completely stock. Like I said, and then you don't get that horse sneeze, which everybody that I talk to and like, they love it. I've done multiple, even on the Chargers and stuff, for my buddies. And it quiets right down. I mean, see, it's not too bad. I like it. Guess I'm gonna have them go from like a dig. See how that sounds. Like I said, we'll do it inside of it. Even in the inside, windows up, it's not that bad. Drive it every day. Windows down, it's not bad at all. Even from a dead stop and you mash on it, sounds good. Like I said, the truck's completely stock. Besides that, it's got a muffler delete. It has no add-ons, no nothing, no cold air intake, nothing. Those Hemis, these, I don't know, what are they, the third gen Hemis now, or the fourth gen? These trucks got what, 395 horse at the crank, 8-speed trans. That's another thing I love about it, because the simple fact that, yes, it's basically straight pipe. Even an idiot would know that. But because of that eco mode, you're on the freeway 70 miles an hour, and it's quiet. It literally tones down to as if you had the stock muffler on it. It's not bad. It's just when you get on it, you're definitely going to be hurt. So basically what I'm saying is I'm not trying to undercut any companies. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm just trying to help people out. Get it out there. I mean, it's more for the Rams. Like I said, I've done it for my buddies that have Chargers, 300s, stuff like that. Yeah, it is what it is, Like I said, see, it's fairly quiet. It's not something obnoxiously that's gonna that's flooring it, but it's not bad. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Like I said, the piping that I can make for you will already it'll be prefabbed for you. At an idle, it's not bad. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're interested, we can do it. If you guys like it enough, kind of in a rush right now because I'm short on time. I'll do an inside drive video of the drone, because everybody's, how's the drone? How's the drone? The drone is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. So let me know. Like I said, subscribe, be greatly appreciated. You guys take it easy.